Hello again. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I completed an easy, renter-friendly way to update cabinets. So my daughter moved into an apartment and she was shown the model, but was surprised when her unit did not look like the model. So she came to me with this project. So here you'll see we use black wood grain, peel and stick wallpaper, white contact paper, and I used a wallpaper smoothing kit to complete this task, along with the screwdriver or a electric screwdriver to remove the cabinet doors. So you want to start by removing the cabinet doors and removing drawers and cleaning all parts of the cabinet to remove grease with some type of degreaser. You don't want to do that on both the drawers, the doors, and the facing. Also, when removing cabinet doors, be sure to place a towel in the sink to avoid dropping screws down the drain. Once you begin, pick which direction you want to begin. You'll find what works best for you. And with the brown wood grain peel and stick, it was very forgiving. So you could actually work with that in multiple directions when it comes to the facing. Just be sure that the door patterns are always going in the same direction, as well as your drawers. Another helpful hint is to cut several strips up front just to avoid time-consuming or rather spending a lot of time cutting strips as you go along. So you can figure out pretty much how many strips you need, kind of just move the paper along and figure that out and cut what you need in advance and then peel and go, along the way. Each paper backing is lined differently for measuring and cutting. So you will see as I show you that as I'm going along as well. Use both of the brown rows completely on the bottom cabinets, all the way down to the last piece. So if you have any errors and you have more cabinets than shown, you may need additional rows for that. I also used a blade to cut away excess paper and try to cut in 45 degrees in corners for the angles to wrap the paper across the corners. And there was some trial and error in getting this to go on easily, as you'll see, where initially I was trying to apply the paper by myself, and then at one point I did need assistance because I had accidentally peeled the backing off prior to laying the entire strip flat. In this particular video, somehow some of my video of close-up applications disappeared, so I tried to show as best as I could how I applied paper to corners of doors and drawers. So just keep a lookout of the different methods I'm using, and be sure to cover all of the facing so that the original cabinet color does not show when doors are reattached. This project took about 6 hours total, I would say, over a 3-day period. I spent approximately 2 hours on each trip over there working on the cabinets, and I still have the one section of overhead cabinets to finish because I ran out of paper after using the one roll on the one side. So in all, there were 2 of the brown rows used in this particular cabinetry, and would have needed 2 rows of the white to fully finish out the top cabinets. Other thing would be, once you're finished laying out all of the paper, it will be easy to see where the screw holes are, and you can just poke holes using a screwdriver or something once you're ready to reattach your doors. And I would say, all in all, take your time. As this was my first time doing any type of application of this sort, And I would say if you take your time and figure out, what works best for you, then things will go smooth. So I want to say good luck if this is something you're thinking about trying. And thanks for watching the video.